Hey, we're Saturnian Noise Collective. We're on our national tour, our first debut tour. I'm Aaron, I play saxophone and noise pedals.
And then me.
Yep.
Oh, and I sing. My name's Chelsea.
Hey, I'm Joseph, and I do stuff with my voice and reverbing for that.
I'm Witchy and I play drums.
I'm Kenji and I play guitar.
I'm JY and I play saxophone and pedals and various other stuff.
And I'm Liam and I play synth and drum machine.
And together we're Saturnian Noise Collective.
Saturnian Noise Collective.
Saturnian came about I was living in Japan and I saw a lot of noise, experimental music, and I kind of fell in love with it. And I wanted to do something similar in Auckland, something free. So all of our live shows are generally quite free, like improvised on the spot, which is fun. And it came about as an idea that, anybody can play music and without sounding too bloody cheesy, but so we can take members in and some members can leave and come back, etc. So it's kind of a big pick and mix. We've been together for 2 years, so there's like a large pool of people that have played in our various shows
But
over the
this
years.
is the solid kind of core of the group. Just coming down to do the tour.
Sunrise, massive influence, but we all have our own influences. Like I'd say that, we've come from very different backgrounds, so it's like
we
the
all have
amalgamation.
so many different projects, like we're all in heaps of different bands and stuff like that.
These two guys are in a new band called Human Resources. JY and Kendra in Yokozuna. Chelsea plays in Baby Shakes. Joseph's got his solo projects going on. It's like we've all got various other bands we play in. We all come together to do this kind of free-form thing that doesn't actually, which is fun.
So it kind of contains elements of all our other bands, but kind of just smushed together.
Well, I don't really do the stuff I do here in Baby Shakes. That would be hilarious.
Maybe you should.
I guess we just say yes to all our stuff, but then we're also just kind of interested in a lot of different stuff.
I think
it's just stimulating and challenging, especially as a musician when you're like playing really vastly different stuff, because then it just helps you kind of grow and makes you be able to play something like this a lot easier when you're used to kind of just jamming for long periods of time. experimenting a few things to find something kind of nice within that mix.
Yeah.
It seems to happen a lot in the Auckland scene anyway, though, like with like gig lineups being really diverse as well. Hip hop acts getting put with like folk rock acts and like all just all this cross pollination stuff happening. It's really cool. I feel that definitely.
Yeah,
I'd rather go to a show and see like 3 completely different bands than
I
go
think
to
a lot of people are like that in Auckland. Yeah.
go out
Or
for a
in
night
Wellington
and
too,
see
just-
like
just
3
in general.
bands playing the same type of music and stuff. You know, it's always a bit more interesting, a bit more exciting,
Yeah.
and inspirational to kind of get that diversity.
Diversity.
I think there's like I don't know, stuff that's influenced it, but that's reached a certain level of energy or like momentum again, maybe like just something the ball keeps kind of like rolling, and then I don't know. I feel like a lot of the improv music now, though, there's like heaps of high energy in it compared to it. Because sometimes when you start doing improv music, I find it's like people might hesitate and they might be like, oh, I don't know what to play. But as you get more and more comfortable with people, you just kind of
Gel.
yeah, and you kind of the dynamic shifts, and then you can kind of just even notice a change from someone's body language, the way they're playing. Sometimes it becomes just like a wall of noise, and then it will just like break down again, and then separate to little tangents, and then somehow reach a groove or something. So
Yeah, it's pretty good way
I'm
of
finding
putting it.
now that we just like we'll look at each other and like just lock into the kind of like what they look like they're doing compared to what they're actually doing.
Yeah.